Dinosaur boy.
Hello guys, welcome back.
Oh, so do you have something new today?
Yes, today we have the Dinosaur Deformation car.
Whoa. It looks like a transport truck, another one of those.
Yes.
But this one is from Alloy Racing. From who?
From Alloy Racing.
Oh, so let's open it up. Whoa, it's big. This looks like a truck, another transport truck.
Yes. We got 12 different cars with it. And it can hold up to like 12 whole cars. But over here there's extra space down here.
All right. And on the other side, space for 4 cars here.
Yeah, and then over here.
On the other side as well.
And here the cars get eaten by.
Oh, the cars get eaten.
I also got 4 extra alloy racing cars, but I had to buy them like separate. Okay guys, now I'll go to the play area and show you how this works.
Okay. Oh, so we're back in the play area with this monster T-Rex truck.
Now I'm going to open the car.
Oh, you're opening the cars?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 cars. Okay, so we're done with the cars. The cars are out, and let's go to the truck.
When you move the truck, it opens its mouth and it also eats the cars.
All right.
Now I'm going to this is a whole track, and over here you have to click these buttons. There's another one over here on the other side. And then you hold it and it goes down. And when it makes the sound, it's stuck. Now I'm going to put 2 different cars here.
Where?
Here.
Okay.
It's a whole race.
All right, so the ramp is all set up. And we're going to have a race now?
Yes. Red versus blue.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Who won? We don't know.
I don't know.
All right, let's go again.
3, 2, 1. Red, it's a tie.
It's a tie. We're having another race?
Yes.
Okay.
White versus red.
Okay.
3, 2.
Oh.
Red one.
Okay.
White versus red.
All right.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to have races between these cars and the other ones.
All right. This one looks special.
3, 2, 1.
All right.
They both hit each other. This black one is from that extra black, and this black.
Okay.
2, 1.
Okay. What else about this truck were you gonna say?
This truck can eat the car.
Oh, they're coming inside.
And then I can store them, or I can release them from the back.
So I guess you're gonna keep playing with them now.
Yes. Bye bye. See you next time.